Did you know there's a plant that can actually eat insects? Yes, you heard right. Our world is home to an array of unique plants, and today we're counting down the top 15. Kicking off at number 15, meet the Venus flytrap. Unlike most plants, this one doesn't just rely on sunlight and water. It's a carnivore, trapping and consuming insects to gain nutrients. Imagine a plant that can catch its own dinner. Isn't that just mind-blowing? Moving on, we have a plant that grows in the shape of an umbrella. Meet the Japanese umbrella pine. It's not really a pine, but its needles fan out like a beautiful green umbrella. Isn't nature fantastic? Now let's shift gears to our 13th plant, the corpse flower. It's a real stinker, literally. This giant bloom is infamous for its foul smell, often compared to rotting meat. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine having a plant that smells like a rotting corpse. Ever seen a plant that looks like a brain? Meet the 12th unique plant on our list, the brain cactus. It's not your typical prickly friend. Its convoluted surface resembles the human brain, giving it a peculiar yet fascinating look. Now, let's move on to the 11th plant, the baseball plant. True to its name, this plant boasts a perfect round shape, making it look like a baseball. It's quite the head-turner, isn't it? Who knew plants could be so bizarre? Next up, we have a plant that can live for thousands of years. Yes, you heard it right. Meet the bristlecone pine. This plant is a living testament to the resilience of life itself, standing tall and proud for millennia. Each gnarled branch and twisted trunk tells a story of survival against all odds. Moving on, let's delve into the tropical rainforest with the jade vine. This plant is a real showstopper, boasting brilliant turquoise flowers that hang down in beautiful clusters. But it's not just about looks. The jade vine has a unique relationship with bats, who love to feed on its nectar and in return, help to pollinate the plant. And finally, let's journey to the deserts of Africa to meet the welwitschia. This plant is a marvel of adaptation, growing only 2 leaves in its entire lifetime, yet surviving for hundreds of years in the most arid conditions. Nature truly is full of surprises. What if I told you there's a plant that can walk? Yes, you heard it right. Coming in at number 7 is the walking palm. This extraordinary plant has roots that can move in search of sunlight. When the tree is young, it sends out new roots towards the sunlight, and as these roots grow stronger, the old ones die off, giving the illusion that the tree is walking. Moving on to number 6, we have the dancing plant. This unique plant reacts to sound. When it hears music or even the clapping of hands, it moves its leaves and stems as if it's dancing. It's like it has its own rhythm. Finally, at number 5, we've got the lithops, also known as the living stones. These plants have evolved to resemble stones as a defense mechanism against being eaten. They are perfect at blending in with their rocky surroundings. Plants that walk and dance? Now that's something you don't hear every day. We're getting closer to the top, and these plants are getting more and more fascinating. Now let's dive into the world of the 4th plant on our list, the rafflesia. This is no ordinary flower, it's the largest flower in the world. With a diameter that can reach up to 3 feet, it's a sight to behold. Moving on, we have the titanum in the 3rd spot. This plant boasts the world's largest inflorescence. That's a fancy term for a group of flowers arranged on a stem. The titanum can grow up to 10 feet tall. Can you imagine a flower taller than you? And finally, landing in the 2nd spot is the wolffia, the smallest flowering plant. This tiny plant is so small, it's often mistaken for a speck of dust. It's a powerful reminder that size isn't everything in the plant kingdom. From the largest to the smallest, plants surely are amazing. And finally, the number 1 plant on our list is the pitcher plant. Its unique pitcher-like shape and insect-eating habit make it truly one of a kind. What an incredible journey we've had, exploring the top 15 unique plants in the world. From the rafflesia arnoldii with its gigantic bloom, to the Venus flytrap with its quick reflexes, each of these plants has shown us just how diverse and fascinating Mother Nature can be. And that concludes our countdown of the top 15 unique plants in the world. If you've enjoyed this journey through the plant kingdom, spread the joy. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and tell us your favorite plant in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos like this one.